Today I'll be using cotton cord by Ganxxet, a belt buckle, scissors, 6mm crochet hook, and a tapestry needle. Start out with your buckle, your crochet hook, and your cord. Do a slip knot. Place your hook in your knot. And now we're going to crochet around the belt buckle. It looks really nice when you do it this way. It's a little tricky, but it'll be smooth sailing after we get through this part. So the first thing you'll do is make sure your cord is wrapped around the middle of that buckle and do a slip stitch. Now your cord and your buckle are connected. Now we're going to do some single crochets along this metal bar. So we'll flip our buckle to the back so it's easier to crochet around. And I will yarn over, pull my cord through and back up, yarn over, and pull through both loops on my hook. That's my first single crochet. I'm going to do a total of 4, 2 on each side of that metal post. So yarn over below, pull through my cord, yarn over above, and pull through both loops. And then I'll do this 2 more times on the other side of the metal post. Now we have our 4 single crochets and we're ready to turn. I'll turn the belt buckle to the side and chain 1, which we will do each time we turn from here on out, and then turn the belt buckle the opposite direction. From here on out, we'll be working with half double crochet. To half double crochet, you will yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. I'll show you that again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch. You know you're inserting it correctly when you see the V there on top. Yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. You'll keep doing this to the end of the row, chain 1, and then turn, and continue to do your half double crochets until you're happy with the length of your belt. Your work should start to look something like this. I love the way this looks when you crochet around that belt buckle. I actually used this belt buckle off an old belt I didn't really like anymore, so I cut off the material to add my own. Now we're going to weave in the end from our beginning slip knot. So I'll just put that on my tapestry needle. And when you're weaving in ends, there's really no wrong way to do this. You just want to make sure it's nice and secure. So you find the spot to put your needle and pull through that end as many times as you can, just to make sure that it's not going to unravel. You can also add hardware like this to hold the end of your belt once you're wearing it. I bought this from Hobby Lobby and they're super easy to use. Now we're going to finish the end of our belt by doing single crochet 2 together. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Do that 1 more time in the last 2 stitches. And now you have 2 stitches at the end of the row. So you'll chain 1, turn, skip the first stitch, and slip stitch into the second stitch. And now you have a nice tapered end to your belt. You'll just snip off the end and weave in, and you'll be all finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to follow along for future ones and check out bagsbymento.com for more free crochet patterns. Thanks, y'all.